Okay, this is going to show you how to change the times for your pickleball play. So from the control panel, when you first log in, you're going to go to Modules. And you're going to see a bunch of modules, but if you scroll down, you want Play Schedule. Now, it doesn't look like anything's there, but because on the front side, the client sees it in white text, I had to make it be white on the back side. So this is the first step. Your times are in this table. So you'll just click and hold down, and we're going to change them to be black just for the moment so we can change the times. So I'm going to change to the 8:30. And what I'm going to do here to make it look a little bit better, I'm going to hold Shift and return. And then I'm going to come up here and make this be bold. And let's go ahead and underline it too, so it looks a little bit better there. The reason you hit Shift and then return, see how far it drops it down if I just hit return, but if I hit Shift return, it's not as much of a drop. It's called a soft carriage return. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do the same thing for Tuesday, which is 8. Okay, let's see. So I will fix the way this displays over there. But when you have it all done, you're going to highlight all that again, and you're going to change the text color back to white, and then hit Save. And when we go to the front side of the website, there it is. And then I'll fix, so it says Thursday and Sunday.